How to create journals on Canva to sell on Amazon KDP. Today I'm creating a journal on Canva to sell on Amazon KDP. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to head over to kdp.amazon.com/cover calculator. In this page, you will enter your journal's information. So for the binding type, I suggest you select hardcover. For interior type, I suggest you go with premium color. Paper type for me will be white paper. Reading direction, left to right is the most common one, so I'm selecting that. And for the measurement units, I'm going to be selecting inches. Please also follow this. And interior trim size. So here, you will select the size of your book. A common and versatile size is 6 by 9 inches. This one right here. It's literally perfect for a majority of the journals, so I'll go with this measurement. But you can, of course, choose whatever suits your needs best. Next, we're going to be choosing the number of pages. Let's go with 120 pages for this example. And we're going to be clicking on Calculate Dimensions. What you have to do here is you're going to click on Download Template. Once you download your template, you're going to go to Canva. So as you can see, I am logged into my Canva account. So if you don't have one already, all it takes to create an account is literally your email address, and that's literally all about it. So from here, what I want to do is to click on Create Design, click on Custom Size right here, change the units from pixels to inches. This is super important. Then you're going to open the template you just downloaded from Amazon KDP. What you want to do is you want to basically look at this section over here, overall dimensions, and you're going to be copy and pasting this over to your Canva. So for my width, it's going to be 14.045, and for my height it will be 10.117. So once your measurements are in, you're going to click on Create New Design here. We're going to start off with adding our template from Amazon KDP. To do that, I am going to the Upload section. Here, I'm going to click on Upload Files. And in the pop-up, I will select the template that I just downloaded from Amazon KDP. I'm going to enlarge this a bit, and I'm going to make sure that it covers all the white space. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to click on it, and here you will see this transparency option. So once I'm done adjusting the transparency, I'm going to click on my frame, and you're going to see this 3-dot icon right here. This means kind of see more. And here you will see the option for lock. So I'm going to be locking this template. Now it's the fun part, designing our journal cover. For that, we have a couple of options within Canva. But the first one I show you is the Elements tab. So simply by clicking on this element section right here, you're going to be landing on elements. Here you will have multiple options from shape, graphics, to videos, to audios. But what we will focus on today for this specific part of the video is photos. So once you decide on a theme, so for example, I'll go for a greenish theme. You're going to want to come here, search for green. Then I'm going to go to photos. Here you will see multiple options. So look through them and find one photo that you like to add to your cover. Now I'm making sure that it covers my entire bleed area to avoid any white edges when it's being printed. So I'm going to be putting it like that. So now I'm going to make this fully transparent and start to work on my bleed area and kind of create a frame. So to do that, I'm going to the element section. Here you will see shapes. I'm going to be clicking on the square icon right here. Now kind of making this a little square and placing it like that. And now I'm kind of following my bleed area like that. Make sure that you're not making any mistake. Zoom in, check the original bleed on the back like that. And now you can come into the color section on the top left bar of your screen and you can choose another color. For example, I'll go with this green right here. Click on the plus icon and find the perfect green that I want. So once you're happy with the color, click on your line, then click on this duplicate button right here and move it to the other bleed. So now I'll just complete all the other bleeds and make sure that we have a nice little line. Okay, so now that I have this frame and all my bleeds are covered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my picture, go to transparency and make it fully visible again. And when you click on it, you can also adjust where the leaves are kind of positioned within the frame. And now that I like everything about my cover design, I am going to be adding a heading to my journal. So to do that, you're going to go to the text tab over here. In the font combination section, you will see a lot of super cool pre-designed kind of font combinations. You can pick one of these and kind of edit the text, or you can come here to the default text styles, add a heading, go to fonts on top and just select a font that you like from here. But for the sake of this example, I'll select a font combination and then I'll just edit that. So I found this font combination that I really liked. I already adjusted the text, named it to daily journal. Now I am going to go to my text color and kind of change the text. Another cool thing you can do is you will see this option for effects on the top right bar. When you click on it, you will see a lot of different options you can choose from. So for example, I'll go with shadow. This kind of adds a unique effect to my heading. Can again go to elements, select this shape, again a square, and you can use this for your background. So you can make a little box like that. What you can even do is you can again go to transparency and kind of make it like that to add a bit of excitement to it. And in the element section, again, you can search for specific elements. For example, you can search for flowers. And now I will go to graphics, click on see all, and I will try to find a couple of flower images that I can add to my heading. So look through the available options, play around with your design. Once you're happy with it, your cover is basically ready. You can do something similar for the back page as well, but for this example, I'm going to be leaving it as it is. So another really cool thing that I wanted to show you is to use AI in Canva. So to do that, you're going to go to the app section. Here, you're going to search for Magic Media. It will be this one right here. You're going to click on that. And all you have to do here is to give Magic Media a prompt. You're then going to select a specific style if you want. I always like to keep it on none to see what it will come up with. And then you're going to select your aspect ratio. So for my prompt, what I'm going to say is create a cover design for a journal, a green theme. Then I'm going to click on generate image. So there we have it. Perhaps this can be used. So you click on this three dot over here. You can say generate more like this. Look through the options, select one that you like. For example, I really do love this one. I'm going to click on it. It will again appear on my page. Again, kind of adjust it like that. So if you want to keep the middle line right here, which is 100% optional, what you can do is you can right click on your image, go to layer and say send backwards. This will basically make this image go to back and you will have the middle line as well. I'm now really happy with the final look of my cover. So now I need to download this. For downloading, I already deleted my template in the back. So now I'm going to share. I'm going to click on download. Here in the file type section, please select PDF print, and all you have to do is to click on download. Now that we downloaded our journal's cover, we're going to be finally working on the interior pages. So we need to be coming here, and what we need to do right now is to decide if our interior pages should be with bleed or without bleed. So generally a lot of journals is with bleed, so I'm going to be going with this one. When you scroll down just a bit, you will see this section. I'm going to be extending that. I'm going to find the measurements that we use, which was 6 by 9. I'm going to take the measurements with bleed. So in my case, it will be 6.125 by 9.25. So I'm now going back to Canva. Here on the file section, you will see an option for create new design. Then you're going to click on custom size. And here you're going to change the unit from pixels to inches again. And all you have to do is copy paste the measurements. I'm going to be clicking on create new design. Now we have to add our margin. I'm going back to this page over here. And when you go just a little bit down, you're going to see this kind of table right here. So basically, if your pages are between 24 to 150 pages, which in our case, it will be because it was 120 pages. So at least we need 0.375 inches. So I'm going back to Canva. In the file section up here, you're going to see settings, click on that, and now you want to click on show rulers and guides. So now we need to move our ruler to 0.375 at least. So don't worry if it's not exactly 75. For example, it's like a 378 for me, but that's okay. We just need at least 75. So now that this line is ready, I need to do the same thing for the rest of the side. Go to elements, select this square shape right here. Make sure that it perfectly fits this side. You want to move this square up here like that, for example. Now you're going to duplicate it. Do the same thing for this side like that, and for this side as well, just like that. So now I'm taking my ruler. I am making sure that it fits, taking it again, doing this for this side. Now I'm taking it and placing it like this. So now that we have our margins, now I am again going to elements, and then I'm going to be selecting this line shape over here on the top like that. So now I am going to this line style section, and now I'm going to kind of lower the line weight to 1. And I'm again going to transparency and lowering it. When you click on the line, you'll see this duplicate again. You're going to click on that 25 times. Okay, so now I have 25 lines. Select all my lines like that. And here, when you click on the 3 dots, you're going to see this option for space evenly and tidy up. So you're going to click on that to take this corner and enlarge it. If you want to spice things up, add a bit of visuals, you can absolutely do that. So as you can see, I deleted my cubes and my page is basically ready. So now we're going to be duplicating this page. All you have to do is click on share, click on download. Here from the file types, you're going to be selecting PDF print. This is super important. And you're going to click on download. So now we're going to go to Amazon KDP, log into your account. I'm going to click on create. Here we're going to choose create paperback. And what you need to do now is to basically fill in all the related information. You're going to click on save and continue once this part is done. So here you can select your print options. I'm going to be selecting black and white interior with white paper. My trim size is 6 by 9 inches. If you have a different size, you can also select it right here. It is now selected on no bleed, but mine does have bleed, so I'm going to change it to bleed. Paper, cover finish. For this example, I'm going to keep it in matte. So here in the manuscript section, you're going to upload your interior contents. Then you're going to choose upload a cover you already have since we designed a cover, and we're going to be uploading our cover simply by clicking on this button right here and then selecting the relevant cover. So once you click on preview, you're going to preview your journal. And once you're happy with it, you're going to click on approve and publish your journal.